When you want to find direct manufacturer or PCBA, usually you will go to Alibaba.com. Indeed, there are many PCBA manufacturers on Alibaba.com. We are one of them.
Welcome to our SMT line. We have 3 SMT lines. The assembly machines were bought on 2020 Yamaha brand. When assembly finish, all the boards need to be tested by OE and make sure the assembly is good. Each SMT line have one test machine.
But there are also many fake PCBA manufacturers on Alibaba.com. Why do I call them fake PCBA manufacturers? Because actually they are trading companies, not manufacturers. They do not have any production facilities. They have an office only. Once they get your orders, they will transfer your orders to us. So why not place your orders with us directly? Definitely, YouTube is the best place to find a PCBA direct manufacturer. On YouTube, you can see the manufacturers' production facilities, production process, and quality control, etc. So you can know them better. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch our next video. See you in the next video.